Okay, so here are two things. We're going to look at two Wolfram demonstration projects on the square Koch fractal curve. So rather than having the whole square, it just has one side of the square.
Okay.
So can you go, so the first iteration is just a line, just like we found.
Yep.
Go to the second one.
So we found, yep.
Okay. And now wait, before you click on that, what do you expect to see on the third one now?
I expect to see those little pockets that I found where the squares that come out of the sides meet each other.
Okay. Click on it.
Yeah. The fourth one.
Now can you start to see the rotated square starting to form?
Yeah.
Okay, go
Now
ahead.
it'll be even more fine.
Wait.
Oh, cool.
What was surprising here to you?
Well, there's tons of pockets.
Okay. And what was
so
surprising
weird.
to you?
Well, the pockets formed pockets.
Okay.
Like the pockets divided and formed 5 new areas.
Interesting. And what about the rotated square?
Getting clearer.
Okay.
So,
And then off to the last one.
lots of pockets.
Like each little pocket that we had before formed 5 new pockets.
Yeah, so these were the original pockets, and then these are the ones that we got on the one before, and then these, the little ones, are the new ones.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
So they could develop.
Now go back to iteration number 1. Actually 2, sorry. Now notice that they said there's a quadratic Koch curve type 1 is the one you looked at, but it also says there's a type 2.
Oh,
Can I click on it?
interesting.
Yeah, take a look at what type 2 is.
Wow.
So it goes up and down. So now you're dividing the sides into how many parts each time?
7. Or would it be 8? Does that big line count as 2?
Well, go to iteration 1. How many chops do we make in this line to go to the next shape? You can put iteration 2 up on the board now, up on the screen. How many chops?
So we chop it into fourths.
Chop it into fourths, and you go up and then down. So before we click on iteration 3, what do you think iteration 3 is going to look like here?
Well, it's going to be. Well, I don't think it's going to be a square. Maybe it's going to be. So these are kind of reverse mirror images.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm expect maybe kind of 2 corners of the square.
Okay. What do you think?
I think we're gonna see a lot of the same stuff that we did before, and there will be pockets here.
So you think there will be pockets? Okay.
Yes.
Good. Let's see. Go to 3.
No, there aren't pockets. And
You're
it's,
doing
it's kind of getting weirder.
weird pattern.
Okay. Go to 4.
Still no pockets, but getting finer.
All right. Go to 5.
It kind of
So-
looks like
What does it look like?
it kind of developing into sort of a rectangle.
Well, kind of. Well, sort of 2 sides of a rectangle. 1, 2.
So this is a really interesting one.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll go to the next one, and I'll let you control the mouse for the next one. Okay.